Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for May 4th, 2018. May the 4th be with you. Bad Habit wants to remind you that Lightspeed drops today at 10 a.m. Pacific on the ShopHush app. Manny dropped this teaser that the first Lunar Beauty product will have a lot to do with pearls. RiRi seems excited about the new Fenty Beauty offerings coming May 21st. The shadows can also double as blush and highlight, and the lip gloss has a gold reflection. Now we're excited. New from ByTerry, the Hippy Chic Sun Designer palettes, each with 6 matte and satin powders for an all-over sun-kissed look, €52 or $63 on their site now. Ofra will soon introduce Bossy Eyes metallic liquid eyeshadows. Finally, Shiro has introduced test tubes to their site, a set of 8 mini tubes with their new multi-stick formula for face and lips, and names inspired by notable women of science, $24. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time Monday. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram, and don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.